guys, so we're trying to find a shirt. I want, these are shirts we're gonna practice on. I don't want to resell these type of shirts because I want like a better quality. Drinking our tea, guys, and we're about to start making custom shirts. Well, we're gonna make some clothes. So I already have this out. This is our design we made. I have a tutorial on how to make this. I'm gonna link it in the description box so you guys can check it out. So we already did this setup. This is the shirt we're gonna be putting it on. This is our practice shirt because I was inside out. This is just our practice shirt before we start really putting stuff on our website, Boudreaux Boutique, guys. So let's get started. So we're gonna push make it right here.
Okay.
This is how it looks. We did not turn this on. So take it to the screen with push mirror. Make sure you always push mirror. It's right here. It's mirrored. So once it come out on the Cricut, it'll come out perfect on your shirt. So I'm just gonna bring our little handy dandy little kit. This is where we put all our materials in. So we need scissors for this. So my mom, she wants black writing. So this is our vinyl. This is the vinyl that came with the Cricut. When we bought our Cricut, it gave us a pack of vinyl. We need to go purchase our own separate. So to measure this for my cutting board, okay, so it starts from, of course, it starts all the way at the end where it's 1 and it ends around 7.5. I'm gonna say 7.5 because the H is a little like 1/4 over, so it's gonna be always this
To the 8.
6 to 8.
You can just cut the rest.
Okay, we on a ruler. Okay.
Put that on others.
So I'm just gonna cut this vinyl. So let's see. This thing is really sticky too, so you'll be really careful. I already put the vinyl, the cutting board, and everything placed, so I'm just gonna push continue. Oh, I didn't connect it. There you go. I forgot to connect it, guys. Connect your cord to your computer. Okay. Fast mode. All right, you ready? Everything was going perfectly. Once I made my cuts, that's when I realized I made a huge mistake. If I made the space in between hustle and entrepreneur life wider, it wouldn't be as difficult to peel this off. So I still tried to attempt to complete this project, but it got The lettering got caught on the excess vinyl paper. Mind you, the vinyl is very sticky, guys. And since it's black, it was hard to see the cuts. It was a complete mess. At this point, I am frustrated, so I'm throwing in the towel. But look at the outcome. On that note, I'm going to take a break and start again tomorrow. I hope that my tutorial helped you avoid any mistakes. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.